The next step is we have to deploy the task scheduler. And so this has a few steps. So we have to configure the cron job or the cron tab jobs to execute once a minute. And then we're going to verify that it's working in Horizon, and also we're going to verify that it's working in the logs. So let's get at that. So we're logged in as Laravel_demo, which is important for this next part. So we're going to create a cron tab that runs as this Laravel_demo. So to see what's running under this user, we do cron tab -e. And it's asking us to select which type of editor we want. We're going to just do the nano editor again. And so now we're into the config file for this user. And we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And I'm going to copy and paste what we want to put there, and then we can talk about what it all means. It's a little bit bigger than the screen, so let's see if we can get some more characters. There we go. All right, so cron, there's a cron expression in the front. And so cron has these 5 asterisks, and what each asterisk is it denotes one of the units of time. So star, the first star means every minute. The second star means every hour. And then every day of the month, every month, and every day of the week. So that's what it pretty much means. So pretty much the 5 stars translates to that whatever's to the right of it is going to get executed every minute. So if we look at the command that's running every minute, the first thing that we do is we switch directory to our code directory. And then we execute the PHP artisan schedule:(run) command. So if you're familiar with Laravel, Laravel provides you a really elegant way to schedule tasks or schedule commands. So you can set things to run every minute. You can set things to run once an hour or at midnight. It's a pretty neat way to be able to, in your code, to schedule things. The only thing I have scheduled is once a minute. I'm running a kind of a sample command just so that we can see that this thing is going to function. We're sending the output of this to our log directory, and we're creating this cron.log file, and then we're redirecting standard error to standard out. So we're going to save this, and you can see that it's detected this new cron tab and it's installing it. In that Laravel code, I have one job that runs once a minute. The scheduler is going to schedule that job every single minute. So if we look at the dashboard now, we can see 2 completed commands, and we go look at the completed commands. There is this Inspire job, which is the one that I've got scheduled to run every single minute. And so it is running. You can verify it here in Horizon. And then I also want to verify it in the storage logs cron log, and let's see. So we can see that it's also logging here. So that's perfect.